Hey there, crazy couponers, it's me Eric and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys a quick deal that you guys can do here at CVS. For the cash card, spend 30 get 10, and using the following CRTs, which is a $3 off of a 12 shampoo conditioner purchase, as well as $3 off 10 Crest Scope and Oral-B toothpaste. Only do this deal if you have the CRTs, but if not, probably this is also a good deal depending on your needs as well as what you're needing. So let me go ahead and take you guys around the store real quick, okay? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be picking up is on the Charmin 8 Mega, which equals 32 count. These are priced at $8.99 each, and they're also part of the spend 30 get 10 bonus cash. And in the PNG, we have these dollar off one manufacturer coupons as well. So this will be $7.99, but combined with it is going to make it for an awesome price. So stock up. All right, so the next deal we got going on is on the Pantene shampoo. These are priced at 3 for $12, and they're also part of the spend 30 get the $10 bonus cash. And in the November PNG, we also have the $3 off of 5 Pantene purchase that you can use towards this, as well as I also have that $3 off 12 shampoo conditioner purchase, which is going to make it for an even better deal once combined with the spend 30 get 10. And I'm going to be using these $2 off one manufacturer coupons towards the purchase of this, and as well as I have a $3 off 10 Crest Scope Oral-B toothpaste, toothbrush, or rinse. And sorry, this is another play. Anyway, so $2.99, use the $2 coupon, and the $3 off 10 Crest is going to be 94 cents for all 4 of them after coupons, but we're going to make it for even better deal with the cash card, so stock it. All right, so these are the items I'm going to be putting into the transaction.